So shall we start with the next problem?
सर क्वेश्चन कितने मार्क्स का होता है?
ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन 8 to 10. ठीक है, सो थिकनेस ऑफ द बेस स्लैब ये है ना, ये है तुम्हारा थिकनेस ऑफ द बेस स्लैब. ये कितना हमने प्रोवाइड किया है? 175. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली मैंने क्या बताया था, द सर्कुलर वाटर टैंक्स आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू फ्लेक्सिबल बेस एंड रिजिड बेस. तो फ्लेक्सिबल बेस we are doing right now, then we will go for rigid base. Okay, rigid base में then again we will have approximate method and IS code method. ठीक है, so this is comparatively small problem as compared to the rectangular water tanks with approximate method and IS code method. ठीक है, वो थोड़े lengthy problems है, ये वाला थोड़ा छोटा है. So comparatively the marks will be less for this. Which we will see afterwards, they will be a bit lengthy. Okay, so these are short forms. So now let us move on to the next question. So write down the next question. Design a circular water tank for a capacity of, so write down, design a circular water tank for a capacity of 2 into 10 raised to 5 liters resting on the ground. Design a circular water tank for capacity 2 into 10 raised to 5 liters resting on the ground. And having flexible base at the bottom. And having flexible base at bottom. Use M20 and Fe415. Okay, no, use M20. And here sigma T is 1.2 MPa. Sigma ST is 115 MPa. And modular ratio is 30. Okay, so this is the question. Is my screen visible, everyone?
It is a bit blur.
Blur. Maybe the network
visible
issue.
sir.
Visible, no? Okay. So now let us start with the solution. So now you have to.
So what is that sigma T?
हाँ. ठीक है, तो ये सिग्मा टी क्या है जो हमने नोटेशन दिया था टी. So it is basically the same. So now tell me what is the first step. So now quickly you will solve this problem and give me the values. ठीक है, similar same problem है.
Diameter.
ठीक है, first we'll find out the dimensions. तो diameter निकालेंगे. ठीक है. So now tell me what we will do, diameter find out करने के लिए,
The height of water is not given, so we will assume it.
yes correct. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे pay attention, the height of the water is not given. So in that case, first we will have to assume the height of the wall, and then we will have to assume the freeboard. Then we will get the height of the water. Is this clear? So now let us assume the height of the wall. So कितना assume करना है?
3.5.
3 point. Yes, use the chat box. Assume the height of the wall 4 meter. ठीक है. So let us assume the height of the wall as 4 meter. Now let us consider freeboard as 300 mm. So therefore, height of the water H is given by 3.7 meters. Okay. Now volume is given by pi by 4 d square h. ठीक है, so volume कितना है? 5 liters. So कितना हो जाएगा? 200 d square we have to find out, and h is 3.7. So which implies d is equal to 8.296. Okay, 8.296 meter. So now therefore provide internal diameter of the tank is equal to, let us say, 8.5 meters. Okay. Now what next? ठीक है, इसके बाद तो same procedure है. Quickly. Yes, what is the next step? Calculation of thickness.
Thickness of wall.
Yes. So thickness of the wall. Okay. So let us calculate the thickness of the wall. So first it is given by thickness is equal to 150 mm. Second criteria, thickness equal to 30 mm per meter height of the wall. ठीक है, height of the wall कितना है? 4 plus 50 mm. So how much is this? Give me the value.
170.
Exact 170 आ रहा है. 170 mm. ठीक है, so therefore let us provide thickness. Let us provide thickness equal to 175 mm. Okay. So now we got the thickness. Now what is the next step? Anyone? Yes, what is the next step?
Calculation of
Okay, calculation of hoop tension. So this is given by P is equal to gamma W into H into D by 2. So 10 into H, small h is 3.7 and diameter is 8.5 by 2. So this is how much? $157.25 kilonewton. Okay. So now we got the hoop tension also. Now we can find out the steel. Calculation of main reinforcement. Calculation of main reinforcement. Okay, which is horizontal. So therefore, AST is given by T upon sigma ST. ठीक है, तो T कितना है 157.25 into 10⁻³ और sigma ST कितना है क्वेश्चन में दिया है, राइट? So it is given in the question as 115. Give me the value. This is 1367.39. ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये स्ट्रेस दिया है ना, तो ग्रेड ऑफ स्टील क्या हो जाएगा? एनीवन? ठीक है, सो नाउ वी गॉट AST. तो AST मिनिमम से भी चेक कर लेते हैं. देयरफॉर AST मिनिमम, यस, Fe 250 के लिए 115. ओके, ठीक है, बट दिस इज डायरेक्टली गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. So AST minimum is nothing but 0.35% of the cross section of the surface area. So 0.35 into okay, so this is T is less than 300 mm. Okay, so this will be the same value. कितना आया था?
306.25.
306.25 and this is less than 1367.39, so hence it is okay. Now let us select a suitable diameter. ठीक है, तो अभी कितना diameter select करेंगे? So let us assume
20.
20. Are you sure? थोड़ा सा कम है ना स्टील, तो 16 assume करते हैं.
25.
25. Why so large raya? स्टील कम है ना, ये 1367 है, तो 16 will also do. ठीक है, लास्ट टाइम कितना 1800 था ना, तो 1800 के लिए हमने हाँ, तो यहाँ पे 16 will also do. So let us assume 16 mm diameter bar. So therefore spacing is equal to AC required 1367. How much is this value? 147.04. Okay, 147.04. ठीक है, मैंने इसका और क्राइटेरिया क्या बताया था? स्पेसिंग शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 300 mm. ठीक है, थियरी लेक्चर में मैंने बताया था. ठीक है, वन मोर क्राइटेरिया है इसका. ठीक है, लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में आई थिंक वी हैव नॉट सीन दैट. It should not be more than 300. One more thing I had mentioned you in the theory lecture. Anyone remember? Spacing should not be more than 300 and it should also be not more than what? Yes, anyone? Yes, I had told you it should not be more than 300 mm and it should not be more than the thickness of the wall also. याद है? Okay, so it should not be more than thickness of the wall T, which is in our case it is 175 mm. So therefore provide. ठीक है, तो लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में जो स्पेसिंग 20 mm के लिए था वो कितना था? 170 प्रोवाइड किया था. सो इन दैट केस इट वाज ओके बिकॉज थिकनेस कितना था? 175. ठीक है, तो उससे ज्यादा नहीं प्रोवाइड करना है. ठीक है, सो टेक केयर ऑफ दिस. सो देयरफॉर प्रोवाइड 16 mm diameter at, let us say, 140 mm center to center. Is this clear everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So now let us move
Yes,
on
sir.
to the next step. Okay. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? चेक फॉर थिकनेस. ठीक है, चेक फॉर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे AST प्रोवाइडेड भी फाइंड आउट करो. ठीक है, तो गिव मी द वैल्यू ऑफ AST प्रोवाइडेड. 1436. अदर्स चेक करो. ठीक है, तो अभी चेक फॉर थिकनेस के लिए क्या है? T डैश शुड बी लेस देन और इक्वल टू T. अभी वेयर T कितना है क्वेश्चन में दिया है? हाउ मच इज दैट? 1.2, राइट? इट शुड बी लेस देन 1.2. सो अभी T डैश कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो दैट फॉर T डैश इज how much? What is the equation? T upon B into T plus M minus 1 into AST provided. And what is the value of T? 157.25 into 10 raised to 3, or B into T is 175 plus modular ratio दिया है क्वेश्चन में? I think yes, it is given in the question. 13 minus 1. AST provided है 1436.16. What is the value of T dash? Zero point 818. 0.818. So which is less than 1.2. So hence it is safe. Okay. So now let us find out the distribution reinforcement also. Distribution reinforcement. So this is vertical. ठीक है, तो AST मिनिमम पहले जितना था, कितना था 306.25. So therefore provide, how much we had provided? Yes, इसके लिए कितना assume किया था? So using 10 mm diameter bar, using 10 mm diameter, so provide 10 torr at 250, right? 250 mm center to center. ठीक है, so just show the calculation using 10 mm diameter spacing calculator. ठीक है, तो इसके बाद बेस स्लैब, ठीक है, बेस स्लैब. So let us assume, let us provide, so let us provide thickness of 175 mm, okay, and reinforcement, minimum reinforcement in both the directions. Let us provide a thickness of 175 mm and 0.35 percentage minimum steel in both the directions. Okay, so therefore provide 10 torr at 250 mm center to center both ways. And then finally you can draw the reinforcement detailing. Okay, so this thickness is how much? First show the dimensions. This is 175 mm. ठीक है, तो हाइट कितना है वॉल का? 4 meters, right? Four meter. Okay, so show the pillar material. So this is the pillar material. Okay, so now we will show the reinforcement. ठीक है, so this is your main steel. Main steel कितना प्रोवाइड किया है हमने? Yes, Arbaz Ansari, why are you joining the lecture now at this point when it is coming to an end? Yes, Arbaz. Why have you joined so late? Yes, am I audible, Arbaz Ansari? Okay, so your attendance will not be considered, Arbaz Ansari. Yes. So how much is this? Main steel कितना provide किया हमने?
16 torque mm at the rate 140 center to center.
16 torque 140 mm center. और distribution 10 torque 250.
10 torque mm at 250 center.
Yes. ठीक है. उसके बाद बेस स्लैब का भी reinforcement you can show. ठीक है. So this is 175 and again this is nothing but 10 torque at 250 mm center to center with this. Okay, so that was the numericals on circular water tank with flexible base. Okay, so is this clear, everyone? So with this we have completed circular water tank with flexible base. So in the next lecture we will start with circular water tank with rigid base, and then we will, after that we will start with rectangular water tanks.